Hey, what's up, Mix Fam? It's VJ Ella, and we're here at the second night of Cup of Joe's Silakbo concert. And now, we're gonna ask a few fans kung ano yung favorite song na gusto nilang marinig tonight. Let's go. And now we are with
Kayla. Hi!
Hi, Kayla. Kayla told us na this is her second day attending the Cup of Joe concert. So now, this is your second day. Ano yung song na nilulook forward mong marinig?
I'm actually looking forward for Cup of Joe to play. Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko because they didn't play it yesterday.
Oh, so do you think ipi-play nila yun today? Are you hoping?
Hoping because their concert is a mix of their tracks from their new album, Silakbo, and the mix of their old records. So, they played some of the old records yesterday. So, wala sa setlist kahapon yung ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko.
Oh, so I love na very surprising yung mga magaganap tonight.
Yes.
So can you give us a small sample of that song?
Oh my God!
Just a very small. Ikaw bahala kung gusto mong itula, isigaw, go.
Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko.
Parang hindi ka na Grabe! Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy the concert.
Enjoy the concert as well.
Alright,
Thank you.
thank you.
Bye!
Hey, Mix Fam! We're here with Ace. Hi, Ace. So what's your favorite Cup of Joe concert that you're looking forward to hearing tonight?
Of course, the OG Sagada.
Sagada.
Yes.
Hello, I love that song too. Sige nga,
Very.
sample.
Oh my God.
For the Mix Fam out there.
Sobrang pangit ng boses ko.
No.
Sagada kung saan ay sinigaw.
Tama! I love it! She's a great singer. Thank you so much,
Thank you so much,
Ace. And we're hoping then na mapakinggan mo at ma-enjoy mo ang Sagada tonight.
Yes, thank you. See you, Cup of Joe.
Hi everyone, so I'm with a very familiar face right now. I'm with whom I call classmate Eliza Maturan. So hi classmate, you're here at the second day of the Cup of Joe concert. Is this your first time attending or were you here?
First time.
Oh, so anong nilook forward mong kanta ng Cup of Joe tonight?
Multo, tsaka Bagyo.
Multo at Bagyo. Sige, pili ka ng isa doon. Nabibigay mong sample sa amin tonight.
Ano naman yun?
Yeah, isang sample lang. Kahit konting snippet lang.
Humingang malalim, pumikit na muna. Ayun lang.
Hello, very shy type ang aking classmate. So thank you so
Sa
much.
TikTok, check nyo na lang.
Ooh, may cover siya sa TikTok. So don't forget to follow her at Eliza Maturan right here. Thank you so much, Eliza.
Now I'm with
Kent po, Kent.
Kent. So hello, Kent. Is this
Hello
your
po.
first time attending Cup of Joe concert or nandun ka rin kahapon?
Ito po, first day.
First day mo tonight. Okay, great. So what is your favorite song na nilook forward mong marinig tonight?
Bubog po, tsaka siping.
Bubog at Siping. Sige, pili ka ng isa doon na isa-sample mo sa ating Mix Fam.
Hindi ko pa kabisado.
Kahit konti lang. Ikaw bahala kung gusto mo itula, i-interpretative dance. Ikaw
Misteryoso
bahala.
na lang.
Nagbago yung sagot. Okay, Mr. Yoso, let's go.
Ano ba yung... Natotorete sa'yo.
Chan. Oh, let's take this, take two. One. Gusto niyo po ba estranghero na lang, Char?
Sige, tingin na lang.
Okay, tingin na lang daw.
Di pinapansin, ingay sa magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Ano ba?
Tama! Thank you so much, Kat. And I hope you enjoy
Thank
the
you po.
concert tonight.
Thank
Say
you
hi to
po.
the Mix Fam!
Wala na. Kailangan ko talaga.
nga yun? Yung napaka-angas yung banda, yung pink soda, pink soda!
Ano kayo naman? CJ, yeah. Old school na OPM naman yung tugtugan niya dati, di ba? Balikan nga natin yung mga yan, eh.
Sige nga. Ano boys? G? Let's go!
That's a wrap for Cup of Joe's Day 2 of Silakbo concert. This has been VJ Ella for Mix Checks In. See you next time!